Want to know how to use super and this keywords in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily use these. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. So in Java, this keyword refers to the coordinate class, while super refers to the parent class. So we have a class named animal with the name animal, and dog extends it right here. You can see in this code from 1 to line 6. So inside dog, we have another variable also called name. So when we print this .name, it prints a dog, the child class value. And when we use super.name, it prints the parent's value, that is animal. So as you can see right here, when we print it, now you can just simply run it up to check the results. And after the running is done, you should be able to just simply see the results. And that's it. This helps when variable overlap between child and parent. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.